Hey everybody, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am making an affordable Father's Day gift basket, and it's affordable. You should be able to get the contents. I was able to get the contents of this basket for $10. If you need the supplies that I'm going to show you, it might be $15, maybe 13 or 14. I'm going to show you what I have here. The supplies we're going to need is like craft paper. You can get this for $1 at Dollar Tree, Family Dollar. You can even get it cheaper like at Dollar General and then like at Pop Shelf for $1. This is some cello wrap, $1. And some tissue paper. You can get those packs of tissue paper for $1. And some decorative shred, $1. Okay, and that's the supplies we'll need. Oh, we're going to need tape, transparent tape, some scissors, and the container I'm going to use is one of these toolboxes from the Dollar Tree. Now, when I got them, they were still $1, but they're $1.25 now. They're still cute. Okay. And I have one of these Nautica travel mugs or travel cups here. These are nice. And this is going to be a grooming toolbox. Some razors. Got a facial cleanser from Bolero. Facial moisturizer from Bolero. Men's grooming kit, which has a mustache. It includes a one-piece tweezer, one-piece nail clipper, scissor, one comb. Okay, so it has, 1, 2, 3. It's for the homies. Okay, and we have a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. And we have a shower puff to go with that. Let me cut that off. That's why we need scissors to cut off any little tags and stuff like that. Okay. So that's what we're going to put into our toolbox here. And what I do, I took a piece of the craft paper and I ball it up. To fill in the box. And I cover it up. You want it to look as pretty on the inside as it does on the outside. And so my philosophy on doing gift baskets is I like to have a theme. The theme is men, a man's gift, Father's Day, and the color scheme. We have a theme and a color scheme. The color scheme is black and green, lime green. Okay. All right, so we have that in there. Nice and neat. Okay, so now we're going to start building. Okay, I'm going to put my tallest item here. Let me get this situated first. Okay, and so we're just going to tape, and then we come around there, and I'll show you how I taped to keep the lid up. See, I taped it from back of the lid to the front. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put the cup here. Just gonna put our little thingy here, our shower puff. Put that in first. Or put it there. Let's see. Do we want that there? I think I want these items here. I want the Nautica to be seen. I like that. And just make it really neat and balanced. Balance it out. And then if you need to elevate anything, you put some shred in there. Put a little shred here. Oh, we can just get so caught up in getting this stuff on point. Okay, fam, so this is how I'm going to present this. So they'll be able to keep this box forever. And you have the shower puff and the grooming kit, razors there, shampoo and conditioner, moisturizer, cleanser, and a nice Nautica cup that's very masculine. And then I just, if there's any open spots there, just put some decorative shred on there. And then also I'm going to put this, with men you can have a lot of fun with the embellishments. And normally I make my own bows, but nice little streamers would be cute. And I use the entire roll of the cello wrap. Uh-oh. And you see how that can happen like in transit, if you're taking it to someone's home or if you're selling these on the street, things happen. You have people helping you and they'll drop things. So it's important to always keep things secure. Uh-oh. And just gather it up. Okay guys, so I wrapped it all up in cello wrap, or you can also use cello bags. And then cut off the excess. Make it as even as possible. This is just how you would do a haircut. You gather all the hair, all the wrap, and cut it straight across. Okay. And then we're going to put our streamers on. Everything looks good. That's how it looks on the back. And you can, if you want to spend more time, you can definitely use a smaller bag. But, I use universal stuff. I'm not doing gift baskets for sale anymore. So, I don't have all these different size bags and stuff. Okay, and then we just place it on there, and there you have some streamers. And that is a nice, and you put your little card or tag on there, gift tag on there, and there you have a Father's Day grooming toolbox. Isn't that cute? It's very affordable. $10 for the, for all the contents. And then, if you need to buy, the cello wrap, the bow, and the shred, and all of this is stuff you can use several times. You don't use all of your shred in one box, and all of the, the tape and all that stuff. So these are just supplies you can always have on hand. Okay. Let me move all of this stuff. And guys, thank you so much. Just wanted to share that with you. This is just an idea on how you can elevate common everyday things for a gift. Just how you present it. You get the best quality items you can get for your budget, and just present it. I'm sweating over here. Okay. I'll take care of that in just a minute. All right, so and just just do this tastefully for less, okay, guys? So if you like this content, I appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button. This helps this helps with the algorithm. It helps YouTube algorithm know that people are viewing this and finding some interest in this content. And hit that bell notification. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe and hit that bell notification where it says all, so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. You'll get that notification. You just check me out. Do a lot of fun and interesting things around here. I live tastefully for less. Home, garden, entertaining, everything. Okay, guys? So thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.